Hello everyone, welcome to a special episode. We're out in the snow in the Land Rover Series 3, 1976 88-inch diesel. That's why it's a bit noisy. We're currently in four-wheel drive, enjoying a bit of fun in the snow. As you can see, it's pretty snowy here in Northern Ireland. No match for the Land Rover, which despite its wider than standard tires is coping admirably with snow. Quite slippy on the steep bits, but we're managing very well. We're currently in second gear, still in high range, but we're in four-wheel drive. Up into third gear, not a bit of slip, managing really well. Actually overtook a Range Rover Sport that was stuck. I think it's probably on sports tires. So there we go. A bit more of an unusual video for you, something different. If you like these sort of videos, please hit subscribe on the channel. It should be the button on the left hand side. Very much appreciated. Any comments, thank you.